I think communication, media, and design is great for the student whose career might be like a pinball machine. You think you're going one direction, then all of a sudden you shoot to the left and to the right and down the twirly slide. And I feel that we're equipping students to really kind of evolve their careers and aspirations as they go forward.
The field is growing, and it's definitely one of the top 10 fields every year in terms of job growth.
It's a wide open field with new technologies arriving every year.
I'm really lucky to be in the department that I am because all the faculty and the professors that are in it are really willing to work with you and help you network and really figure out what you like doing.
We're mixing video and we're mixing content, writing online, as well as publishing and social media analytics, and we're getting a lot of success with it.
One thing that students worry about sometimes is if it's too creative or too broad, they sometimes worry that they're not narrow enough for some job opportunities. Then they graduate and find out that that's exactly what employers are looking for.
I think I'm considered somewhat of a utility player at the roles that I've been in outside of college, which I can only thank the flexibility of that major for. It really just helped me stand out among the other people that I've worked with.
I have done so many courses and research projects at this point that if I were to go and try and complete a project in the actual industry, I feel that I'm well prepared to be able to handle whatever's thrown at me.
Not only did I enjoy the variety of classes that were offered, I also really much enjoyed the atmosphere of the COMM department itself.
I've been able to meet a lot of faculty, friends, and people through a lot of my different courses.
The professors, they are there for me both in and out of the classroom, as well as great resources to use.
Everybody knows each other very well. So it's kind of like a family, to be honest.
And then when you get to know your professors like that, you can TA and get all their experience as well. I also got to work with Professor Farina on his documentary. I edited the whole thing. It was a semester-long project.
Worked in the marketing department here at Clarkson as a social media marketing intern. And that was really helpful to learn more about what I actually want to do when I get into the real world.
Everything that everybody that's in the department is doing, it's always about making some sort of social impact, and they're doing it. So whether that's through their art projects or whether that's through the videography.
In 2018, 4 Clarkson students and myself created a documentary about academic scholarship, and it screened at over 400 universities and institutions worldwide.
So for a very small group, they're making a huge impact.
The entire department really helped me all along the way, and I wouldn't be where I am today without them.
Students start to develop their skills to the point where they can realize the visions that they see, where they can take something that was only in their mind and make it into something real that other people can value. That's really fulfilling.